Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying accounts and power so the restore won't fail mid-process. Sign into the My account or Google account because restores use those credentials to match backups. Once done, choose where the backup lives, My Cloud, Google Drive, or a local file on SD or PC, and make sure Wi-Fi is connected or USB debugging is enabled for a computer transfer. Now open Settings and go straight to Backup and Restore to start the actual retrieval. You select the backup source and then pick the backup by date to avoid restoring an older configuration. After tapping Restore, let the phone run. Interrupts like rebooting or killing the settings app can corrupt the restore. While restoring, the system will pull apps, settings, and media. Make sure notifications and app install permissions are allowed so automatic reinstall continues. If restoring from local file via PC, use the official My Backup tool and follow on screen prompts to transfer and apply data. You finish by confirming key items, open contacts, photos, and a few apps to verify data synced correctly. Make sure to sign back into any apps that require reauthentication. Some app data won't restore without login. If the system prompts, reboot to finalize settings and then check storage and app permissions so everything runs smoothly. Troubleshooting tip: if a particular item fails, retry that specific restore or connect to a PC, and use the My Recovery tool to reapply the backup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.